Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 4, Advanced Features of Word. Students, in this chapter we will learn about some advanced features like spell check, thesaurus option, counting what you type or word count, mail merge and using the mail merge. So let's see. Students, for Microsoft Word, you have to click on Start button, then click on All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office. When you will click on Microsoft Office, all the applications of Microsoft Office will appear. You have to choose Microsoft Office Word 2007. Students, I have already typed something in your document. So first topic is spell check. Spell check means spelling check. The spell check feature allow you to correct the misspelled word in your document. Clear? Suppose you have typed he is a good boy. In the place of good you have written triple O. But you don't know the spelling of good. So you can go to the review tab. Go to the review tab and click on spelling and grammar option in proofing group. When you will click on the spelling and grammar option, the spelling and grammar display box will appear. Student, there is a suggestion of the word which you want to correct it. Like GOOD is written. If you want to change it, click on change. Students, if you want to ignore it, click on ignore once. When you will click on ignore once, the underline will be removed only for once. If you want to ignore all, so it will be ignored. If you want to add this word in dictionary, click on add to dictionary. The GOOD word will be added, and from next time in your computer it will not show the incorrect spelling for GOOD. So students, I am going to click on change. As you can see, he is a good boy and the spelling has changed. Clear? Students, suppose you want to type your name. Whenever you will type Indian name, always you will see the red baby underline. So for this, students, you can add this word into the dictionary, because there is no these Indian words in the Microsoft dictionary. That's why it is always appearing the red in underline, red baby underline. So whenever you will write Rakesh or type Rakesh, it will never show the red baby underline if you will add this word in your dictionary. Clear? I hope students you have understood. Our next topic is thesaurus option. Student, thesaurus option help us to find the synonyms of the word entered. Suppose you want to find out the thesaurus of good. So first of all, right click on that word and go to the synonyms option. As you can see, student, the synonyms of good is high quality, good quality, first class, first rate, fine, excellent. And students, you can see the antonym of that word also, that word, like poor, good, poor. And last one is thesaurus option. With the help of this option, you can see the different synonyms, antonyms of these words. This word, sorry. As you can see, students, there are so many words you can see, like high quality, good quality, decent, moral, upright, noble, etc. And you will also know about that word, like that is adjective or noun, etc. Clear? Students, next topic is counting what you type. It means word count. Students, word count is a very good feature of Microsoft Word. For this, you have to go to the review tab and click on the proofing group and select word count option. Clear? Students, as you can see, when I have selected the word count option, there are one page. How many pages are there? In status bar you can see one page is there. How many words? Total number of words 34. Characters with no space, with no space 131. Characters with space 162. It means you can see everything about that. Now number of lines, number of paragraphs, number of characters with space, pages, words, everything you can see with the help of word count features. Clear, students? I hope you understood. So students, our next topic is mail merge. It is a common requirement that a type matter for a letter needs to be sent to many people. To do this, You change the few address lines on the top of each letter and rest of the matter remain the same. Example, if you want to send your birthday invitation to 25 or 2 or 3 or more than 50 of your friends with the address details on top of the invitation letter, you may need to type 25 such letters or do a lot of cut copy paste operations. For this, you can prepare such letters by using the mail merge. What is a mail merge? Students, mail merge is the process of merging the information from a data list with a standard text to produce multiple personalized copies. Clear? Students, I would like to tell one more thing. The mail merge procedure consists of two files. Number one, the main document that has some matter which is common for all letters. And second one is the address list that stores addresses of all your friends. Clear? Students, you have to follow some steps for this. Number one, get the main document. Second number, create a list for recipients. And third one is her data field. And fourth one, merge both document and merge letters, which will be ready. Clear? For this, students, you have to click on mailing tab, then select start mail merge option and click on step by step. Now students, as you can see, first select letters, which is already selected. Second one is use the current document, then click on next recipients. Then here student, three options are there. Number one, use an existing, so you have to choose type a new list. Clear? And click on create. When you will click on create, a new address list display box will appear. There will be so many fields. You have to choose the field which you want. If you don't want these fields, you can remove it one by one, and if you want, you can leave it. So I don't want to add these fields in my merge document or in my document, so I am going to delete one by one. So how to delete? First of all, select the field and click on delete button. Clear? The field will be deleted. Students, if you want to add more fields, you can click on add button. Clear? So I am going to tell you how to do it. So two fields are left. Now students, I am going to renaming it. So as I have given the name or full name, as you wish, name, full name. Click on OK button. Then last name is written. In the place of last name, I am going to give the address or address 1 or address 2. Clear? So this is the address 1. Now type address 2. Students, if you want to move the address of or any field up or down, you can use the move up button or move down button. Clear? And then click on OK. After clicking OK button, you can see the fields which you have created will appear. You have to type the name in that field. Like I have typed Kanak, address 1 Nehru Nagar, address 2 Rewa. If you want to add more entry, click on new entry option. As I am typing here Kritika or ABC, as you want. Then again Nirala Nagar, Nehru Nagar. I am giving the address of the Rewa city. It is just for example. Clear? And third one is Prakash, Rakesh, whatever you want to give. So I have given Prashant. They are not my friends. Clear? They are not my relatives. Just I am giving the example. Clear? Now click on OK button. Then students, you have to save your file with the name. I am just typing. You can type ABC, my work, my entry, as you wish. Clear? And then click on OK button. As you can see students, all the entries are appearing, and then you can check it and click on OK button. Student, this is the very important thing. Here you have to click on write your letter. When you will click on write on letter, you have to type letters. Clear? I already typed and I have copied it. So just I have pasted it here. You have to type your letter, whatever you want, like invitation letter, birthday card, or whatever you want. Clear? So students, as you can see on the top in preview result in mailing tab, in preview result group, you can see 1 is written. When you will increase 2, 3, 4, then all the entries will be appear. Clear? So if you want to see it, you can go to the mailing tab in preview result. Sorry students, before showing I would like to tell you one more thing. In mailing tab you have to select insert merge field. So you have to, first of all you have to insert that fields. Clear? Like address 1, address 2, and in dear place of dear full name. Clear? Now click on preview your letter. When you will click on preview your letter, the one by one entries will be appear. It means one by one letter will appear. Say first number Kanak, second number Kritika, third number is Prashant, and the address will also be changed. Clear? From preview result you can see one by one. I hope students you understood how to use the mail merge. Students, for printing one by one you can go to the office button and then take the printout. Clear? And if you want to take the printout of all, I will tell you how to do the same. So for this you can go to the office button and click on print option. When you will click on print, one by one letter will be printed. But if you want to print all the documents together, then you have to click on complete the merge in mail merge pane. Clear? You can see the last step is complete. Then click on print button. When you will click on print button or print option, then the merge to printer will be appear. You have to choose all current record or from 1 to 3, 1 to 2. You have to give the page number and then click on OK. Clear students? I hope you understood how to use the mail merge option.